The Wheel of the Year stories with the Wildling Tribe. Ostara, the story of Oestre and the frozen bird. Ostara is a celebration of the spring equinox. People have celebrated Ostara for thousands of years. An equinox is a time in the year when the sun is exactly above the equator and day and night are the same length. Ostara is a time for growth. Flowers open their colourful petals, and the birds start to sing their beautiful songs again. Ostara brings babies, and new life and warmth to the land. This story is about a beautiful goddess called Oestre, a poor little frozen bird, an egg-laying bird hare, the warmth of the spring sunshine, and the power of love. The land was frozen and cold after the long winter. But Oestre was full of warmth and sunshine. Everywhere she went, the land would turn into spring. The ice would melt at her touch, and flowers grew in her footsteps. All the trees began to grow leaves as she passed by, and when she touched the branches, they burst into bloom. One day, Oestre was walking across the land when she found a tiny bird lying frozen on the cold ground. She picked him up in her warm hands and breathed the life of her spring magic into him. Oestre's warm magic turned the bird into a bird hare. The bird hare was so grateful to be saved. He laid colourful eggs for Oestre all over the land. And so the tradition of Easter eggs was born, and the Easter bunny too. Check out my Ostara activity pack on the Wildling Tribe website, free for members. The Wildling Tribe wishes all wildlings a blessed Ostara. Subscribe to our channel to help share the wildling wisdom.